Remember, fall forward because I'm back here.
Yeah, fall forward is closer.
Yeah. From below, did you see all the rocks sweating?
Oh, I missed it.
Oh, some of the rocks are sweating up there.
Really? This would be a good section of hiking for those shoes with the bend in the
Oh,
sole.
yeah. Yeah.
Gonna put it somewhere.
Yeah. I'm gonna put it somewhere near the top.
I'm trying to take this up over Mongo.
We've done this trail
We
before.
haven't done it. They're usually coming the other way.
Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at that view.
Oh yeah.
The Foggy Valley.
Oh, yeah. Doesn't get any better than this.
So we got a picture between you guys.
Oh, us two? I'll go next to him. Jeez, how'd you get up there? All right here.
It's not as bad as it looks.
Now when you're 5'5".
Right on.
So,
All right, Dave, you need help up or you got it?
I think I got it.
All right.
Still early enough.
Oh, yeah, right?
Oh,
Joints are still lubed.
well, it's like those figure skating competitions. You know, they do all their triples and quadruples and whatever on the first like minute.
Oh, yeah.
They get tired.
Get it over with. It's like, let's get this.
This is loose. Be careful.
Okay. Oh, geez.
Someone has put a trap in there.
It's like, hey, guys, remind me I put my keys underneath this rock.
For safekeeping, right?
Yeah, right?
And we came up to the spot.
Oh, yeah, I remember coming down this one, I think.
Yeah. Oh, yes, it did. This side here.
Oh, yeah. Holy cow.
There, and I found our camping spot next time.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Oh, wow.
That is interesting.
What do you think is underneath that rock?
Someone's
Very
nasty
treasure.
sock.
Very
Oh.
treasure.
Yeah.
Some trail loving.
Yeah, right? I know a quiet spot, baby.
Is that a rattlesnake? Are you happy to see?
I know, right?
Oh, boy.
That's crazy.
Oh,
Did you guys see a Project Hail Mary?
Project what?
Project Hail Mary?
yes,
Oh, no.
we did. That's I think that's where I took my brother-in-law to go to the movie 2 weeks ago.
I love that.
That I did like that.
Straight up.
Oh, geez. I guess up is usually
Think
better,
it's up.
right?
Yeah, it's stuff is usually right. Yeah,
Let's just keep on going up.
when we go that way, we go to Boot. If we're not going, we go that way, we end up up there. Or up there.
We go into that one up to the top?
No,
Okay.
no, we're going there.
That's not high anxiety, is it?
That's our anxiety. You see him coming up and coming up.
telling Roman about our lunch yesterday when he was teaching me about all the social media stuff.
Yeah.
I got a lot of notes.
Yeah.
And I got a lot of stuff I need to think about.
Oh, like what to say?
Yeah, what's the topic?
Yeah.
I can plan them out, and then I can just get to recording them all.
Yeah.
Whenever I have it.
How do you plan to write it out? Like in a bullet form or
Um,
those quick notes?
what I usually do is I write it out like a script, and then I put the bullets, like I mentioned, I print them out on a sheet of paper and tape it to the tripod,
Yeah.
so I can basically go without a lot of stopping. Although, if I can edit out the, oh no, you said that DM doesn't do it automatically, right?
Oh, the ums?
Yeah, the pauses where you're sitting and you're forgetting the next
Yeah.
sentence that you want, and you have to think about it for a second.
Yeah, but you could always cut it and make it flow, you know?
Yeah, that's what I'll need to do. That's what I've
Yeah.
been wanting to do for a while.
Yeah.
And now the VN, is there a desktop version of that?
Yes.
And you can like get more exact, more easily, more quicker.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that's the thing on the phone. You're trying to stop it, between the breaths or between the words, and
Yeah.
trying to get to that exact quarter of a second.
Oh,
You got to go back and forth a dozen times.
you could stretch the clip.
Oh, yeah, I've seen that.
Yeah.
On CapCut.
Yeah, you stretch it so you could be more accurate.
Okay.
But a desktop is better just because it's bigger.
Yeah.
You could you can almost see all the sound lines.
Yeah. And then
So-
is there does it, at the end, does it show you like a line for the video and a line for the audio?
No. Yeah. But
You can add in
it's-
like background music and sounds and things like that.
yeah.
Those would be like different tracks, I guess.
Yeah. Or sometimes you could do like a voiceover in part of a
Yeah.
scene. Like,
Like, do you ever use background music clips?
yeah, especially when there's a copyright music in the background,
Right.
knowing that I'll get flagged.
Oh.
Even though I'm not using, like movie theaters.
Oh, like somebody playing the radio in the background?
Yeah. And if it picks up clear, it'll give you a warning.
Oh.
So sometimes I kind of,
What the software is checking
yeah.
when you upload it. It checks for all those things, and then
Yep.
10 seconds it comes back with 16 alerts.
Yeah. So the key is, when it comes to copyright music,
Yeah.
if you could keep it under 7 seconds,
Okay.
you won't get flagged.
Oh. That's what I was wondering, if there was a limit like that.
Yeah.
7 seconds. Okay.
Yeah. But what I normally do is I'll do a background music,
Right.
but kind of really low, so it mixes with the music that's in the background,
Okay.
so it almost sounds like a different music. I do it with like when we go in the movie theater, they play a lot of Taylor Swift songs, so I put a secondary music. You could almost hear Taylor Swift in it,
Right.
but it doesn't pick it up like, hey, you're using her music.
Okay.
It's like a remix.
Is it a copyright-free music? That you
Yeah.
download?
VN has a lot of copyright music.
Oh, it does it. Okay, good.
Copyright free.
Music. Yeah.
Yeah.
I actually bought a CD of copyright-free music 20 years ago,
Yeah.
and used it once or twice for different things.
Yeah.
Oh, Jingle Bells is still copyrighted.
I did not know that.
That's my opening Christmas music for my show. The holiday season.
Okay.
And every time I get it out
Really? Oh,
I'll
gee.
be living in whatever country it is.
Huh.
Not that
You know what's crazy is I recorded when my kids were in elementary school. You know how like elementary school they have like a Christmas carol?
Yeah.
So I recorded my kids and I posted it on YouTube.
Okay.
and I got a warning.
Oh no.
And these are like 8-year-olds singing.
Yeah.
They don't care. They're like,
Well,
yeah.
they probably, you know, the music teacher probably had to buy a copy of the sheet music.
Yeah.
Let me get you guys out on the
Play it
rock.
on the piano. So that, I mean, that's kind of taking care of that.
We're not going down to the.
Oh yeah, that's where the.
Yeah, that's
This is where that dog met us that one day.
All right, good. All right. Ramblers, let's keep rambling.
I swear I come here for the views.
Yeah. Great.
Because sometimes you get tired of looking at traffic.
Yes.
Traffic and crowded people. And you get to see this.
Yep, that one was you, Marion.
Oh, okay.
Oh, geez.
Oh.
So I woke up at 2:30 to go to the bathroom. Then I woke up at 4:30 to go to the bathroom.
Yeah.
And I was thinking I would get another 30 minutes and not fall asleep.
How'd that work out?
And I ended up getting up at 10 till 6, which I got this thing. I mean, waking up at any number with a 5 is just something I can't handle.
Oh, really?
So, or no, 4. So I got up at 10 till 5.
Yeah.
5 is okay. 4 anything is just unreasonable.
I agree.
Well, I feel like I start everything on 5.
Really?
Yeah. Like I'm gonna start cooking at 4:30 or 4:15. You know,
Right. Oh yeah.
or basically every 15-minute increments. All right. Like even my alarm clock, I start at 4:30, and then I have a second backup at 4:45.
On Monday nights, I know the night before I know I have to get up for the hike.
Yeah.
I try to go to bed way earlier, but that just never happens.
Yeah.
So I think we got to bed at 11:25 last night.
Yeah. Yeah. My wife had to remind me, "Hey, you guys hiking tomorrow?" I'm like, "Oh shit! Let me go text Tom real quick." And I text him, didn't reply back, so I went straight to bed.
Yeah, I said, I think he and Aaron are on a road trip.
Yeah.
Oh.
I kind of figured when I saw that unicycle video, I was like, "Oh, is he over there?"
Well, it's Ashton because our brewery has got their 2nd anniversary coming up on Saturday.
Oh yeah.
Well, if you want to go, and then I forgot he's got that NASCAR thing on Saturday.
Oh yeah.
Right.
Did he finally get those tickets or what?
I guess so.
Oh, that's good.
I'm not a car person, so
Oh, I'm not either.
I'm not a car person nor a traffic person. And the thought of being trapped on North Island,
Oh
with
yeah.
those people is not. It gets me irritated, and I'm not even going.
Yeah.
Well, our is it Saturday or Sunday?
Saturday.
Or both.
Well, it might be, but I know it's Saturday for sure. But I don't know what the other.
Yeah.
Our church is doing a car show and barbecue for Father's Day.
Oh, nice.
Oh, that's what I'm talking about.
Looking forward to that.